I think one of the most powerful things for me as a patient has been that experience, not only myself, but the other people I've gotten to meet. We hear each other's experiences and we hear what other patients go through their day-to-day interactions with our healthcare system. And that has been one of I think the strongest factors in shaping how I think about healthcare, and how I would like to see myself eventually practicing healthcare, hopefully. And there's solutions that are emerging. I think of the new online charting system with Alberta Health, and how as patients that will help us. All of a sudden we don't have to be the go-between for our doctors. I think these technologies present a lot of really interesting opportunities, and not just in the sense of new careers, but in the evolution of different therapies and the accessibility of certain therapies. For a patient who might, be from a very remote community, to be able to access a similar sort of tactile therapy through virtual reality, or education about, how to perform an exercise, that's incredibly powerful. Many people are incredibly limited in the therapies and the options they have based on where they live, their transportation, etc. With virtual reality, all of a sudden you have an opportunity to, what if you go into this environment, you take a video and you have a chance to provide controlled exposure to that in the safe environment of a clinic. And it'll be interesting to see how they become useful tools and integrate with our existing methods that we know work really well. I enjoy talking with my doctor in person, and that's something I hope I don't lose. But how can we, integrate new technologies with this in a way that's additive, and that also doesn't take away from some of those powerful elements that come from just in-person interaction. And so the opportunities there are incredible.